If you're new to smart homes and feel overwhelmed, you're not alone. Most people don't know where to start, but building a reliable, useful smart home doesn't need to be complicated, expensive, or confusing. I'll walk you through a practical beginner smart home setup, the right order to buy devices, how to avoid compatibility headaches, and tips that make your system feel polished and integrated. Welcome to Smart Living Lab. First, let's talk about why smart homes are worth it. Smart devices can save you time, improve comfort, and even reduce your energy bill by automating things like lighting and temperature. More than 8 in 10 homes in America already have smart devices, and most people plan to expand their systems over the next year. Before you buy anything, the most important first step is choosing your smart home ecosystem. Your ecosystem is the foundation that determines how devices talk to each other, how you control them, and what automations are possible. Your three main ecosystem options are Amazon Alexa, widely compatible, lots of devices work seamlessly here. Google Home, great for voice control and intuitive routines. Apple Home, strong privacy, works well if you use iPhones and Apple devices. Choosing one ecosystem first prevents the frustration of buying devices that don't integrate well together. Next, make sure your Wi-Fi is strong. Most smart devices rely on Wi-Fi, especially at the beginning. If your home has weak signal areas, consider a good mesh Wi-Fi system, so devices stay connected in every room. Now let's start building your setup. For most beginners, lighting is the easiest first category. Smart bulbs and switches provide instant visual upgrades and strong automation potential. You can control brightness, color, and schedules with your voice or phone, and you'll see results right away. If you're renting or don't want to install new wiring yet, start with smart bulbs or smart plugs connected to lamps. If you own your home and want a cleaner look, smart switches replace traditional wall switches and work with any bulb. Once your lighting is connected, add devices that actually save energy, starting with a smart thermostat. Smart thermostats automatically adjust your home's temperature based on who's home and what your schedule is. They can learn patterns and reduce heating and cooling costs without you lifting a finger. Next, add a video doorbell or basic security devices. A video doorbell lets you see and speak to visitors from anywhere and adds a layer of peace of mind. As your system grows, you can add smart locks, motion sensors, or cameras that work with your ecosystem. Throughout this process, always check compatibility before you buy. Make sure your bulbs, plugs, thermostat, and sensors support your chosen ecosystem. And ideally, support Matter, a universal smart home standard that makes cross-brand integration easier. Another important ingredient is automation. Automation is what makes your smart home smart. The real value isn't tapping your phone. It's having routines like lights turning on automatically at sunset, thermostat lowering temperature when you leave home, smart plug shutting off devices overnight to save energy. Here's a simple step-by-step blueprint you can follow. 1. Choose your ecosystem first, Alexa, Google, or Apple. 2. Make sure your Wi-Fi is strong throughout your home. 3. Start with smart lighting, bulbs, switches, or plugs. 4. Add a smart thermostat for energy savings. 5. Add smart security, video doorbell, locks, cameras. 6. Set up basic automation routines through your app. 7. Expand to advanced devices and automations as you go. Begin small, build consistency, and let your system grow with purpose. Make sure to check the links in the description for beginner-friendly smart home devices that work well together. We're building smarter homes in 2026. Let's do it right.